Udokotela uKaunda wazalelwa eLukwa okwakusenyakatho yeRhodesia ngaphambi kokuthi leli yazwe lithole inkululeko. Unguthunjana ezinganeni eziyisishiyagalombili. uKaunda wayeqeqeshela ubuthishela njengabazali bakhe. Wayehamba phambili ekulweleni inkululeko, waba yingxenye ye-Northern Rhodesian African National Congress ngo-1951. Eminyakeni eyisishiyagalombili yalandela, waphuma kuleli qembu wasungula iZambian African National Congress eyayivalwe umlomo kuleli yazwe. Kwathi ma izwe likhululeka yabuya isi-United National Independence Party, UNIP. Udokotela uKaunda waba umengameli waleli qembu, waba umengameli wokuqala waseZambia emva kokuthi leli yazwe lakwazi ukuzimela liphuma ngaphansi kombuso waseBritain ngo-1964. Waba umengameli waleli yazwe iminyaka engama-27.
Listen, this is my team here. Yes, let me just come here.
Udokotela uKaunda wayephikisana kakhulu nohulumeni wobandlululo.
Many famous figures have visited this country during the last 2 years. But none who is so close to our hearts as KKE.
Wacela ukuba kube nokhetho lamaqembu ahlukahlukene ngo-1991 nalapho umholi weqembu eliphikisayo uFrederick Chilopa we-Movement Multi-Party Democracy anqoba khona ukhetho. Ngo-1996 wazama ukubuya kwezombusazwe kodwa wanqatshelwa ngaphansi komthetho.
Two wrongs can never make it right. Discuss with the leaders, white leaders in South Africa, the problem of land. Discuss with them, let them know what's taking place, what has taken place elsewhere in other countries. Let them know that the situation here is very serious.
Wachitha isikhathi sakhe esikhulu enza umsebenzi wokusiza umphakathi, ikakhulukazi ekulweni negciwane lesandulela ngculazi nengculaza uqobo, nekuyigciwane amemezela ukuthi ledlule nendodana yakhe.
Sons of Africa, rise and fight. In the name of great Africa, we shall fight and conquer AIDS.
Owabe engumengameli wase Zambia ongasekho emhlabeni uKenneth Kaunda ubenobudlelwane obuhle neNingizimu Afrika, wakhusela abantu bakuleli ababebhace eZambia ngesikhathi sobandlululo.
In remembrance of this great leader who made such a contribution to our freedom, we've decided to declare a period of mourning for 10 days in his memory.
President Kaunda, we count him as one of the architects of a democratic South Africa.
An outstanding leader, very humble, a Christian, but who fought against oppression and colonization and played a major role in helping many of us to be free.
During that visit to him in 1974, he advised me to found a membership-based organization in order to reignite political mobilization in South Africa soil.
He played a very important role in terms of educating his nation because he understood that in the world that he was leading, he needed as many people as possible who have got certified education to understand the dynamics of the world, or to understand how to develop their own communities.